Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and I'm stopping by today with a huge thank you to Trinity Stamps. As part of the Kendra's Card Challenge team, our super sponsors send products for us to use when we create Kendra's Card Challenge. I signed up to promote Trinity Stamps because I love Trinity Stamps. I've used their products in the past. And then today I got my design team package from Trinity Stamps. Oh my word. They have sent the entire, or almost the entire release of their January 2024 release to me. I cannot wait to create with all these products. I'm super excited and just so grateful. And I just wanted to send out a big thank you to them. So I thought I'd do a quick little video. I'm not going to go through and show everything. Instead, in the description box below, I will link to their YouTube channel. And I know they have a video up showing all of their release along with some projects. But be on the lookout over the next couple of months. I will be using these products a lot and showcasing Kendra's Card Challenge with them. So again, a huge thank you to Trinity Stamps, and I can't wait to create with all this and share it with you. Have a great day, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.